Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own little business. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Norma with Mommy's DIYs. Welcome back to another part of the series of tie-dye t-shirts. Today I'm going to be using a medium crew size Next Level Ideal. I get these through printgear.com, and I'm very fortunate because I have a warehouse here in Oxnard about 20 minutes from me, so I'm very blessed for that. I got this for about no more than $2.50. I think it was even $2.15, something like that. And you can get as many as you want, but you do have to have your resale certificate. And just, you know, it's worth it. It's really worth it if you get yours. Actually, I went and looked at my receipt, and they are $2.05. But because I went to the warehouse and I picked them up, they gave me a 5% more. So they came out to $1.99. Okay, very good quality, $1.99. And these are 60% cotton and 40% polyester. Very nice and soft. Okay, so what we're gonna do with this is I'm gonna use two different colors, whichever colors you want. This is like a fuchsia color and this is a green. So what I'm gonna do is you're gonna need a stick, wooden, or this is a cardboard because I just finished a roll of gift wrap and I'm gonna be using this, okay? So what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna start from the bottom and then you're gonna start rolling your shirt. Okay, nice. You're gonna roll it nicely, evenly. Okay. Just like that. I really want to make me one with red and black, but I don't have those colors for Cardinals. I'm a Cardinals fan, so I just came back from Arizona. I went to go see my brother, and oh my God, I want to go back to that stadium so bad. Okay, so for this style, we're gonna need 6 rubber bands in each side plus one more. Okay, so you're gonna be going like towards the middle and putting your rubber bands. Okay, go ahead and put, I don't keep count. Actually, I don't keep count, just kind of keep it, you know, spaced out like this much, and however many you get, say like that. I think I'm gonna need a little less than that. So for a 2 extra large, I used a bigger and more rubber bands. Okay, so we have 3, we have 4 spaced out. And a t-shirt like this, if you put rhinestones, you can sell it between $14.95 and $17.95. And then if they want like a design on it, the design is extra. Okay, I have a quick cut and I have a sublimation machine that I use, so you can do if you have it. Okay, so here's 2, 4, 6, and let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. I may do things a little different because I'm left-handed, so just so you know, we kind of do the things backwards. Okay, so we put in all of our rubber bands. Just space them out. I'm thinking about, it doesn't have to be exact, but I'm thinking it's about 2 inches. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. We need 3 more. They need to be even, okay? So make sure that your t-shirt is extended completely. So here it is, and this is the last one. I really like this design. I think I'm gonna go to the store and find and look for a black and red dye so I can do my Cardinals one. Okay, you're gonna need any bowl that you have with the rack, and then you're gonna put your t-shirt on top of it. But once you have it like this, you're gonna bring it in. You're gonna bring it in just like that. Okay, and maybe just put another rubber band here so that everything gets the dye the same way. What I like about these shirts, you guys, is that really you can do almost anything, and they come out really cute. So if you want to experiment, you know, that's nice too. Okay, so I put 2 extra rubber bands, and the one at the end I put a double because there's not a lot of fabric. Okay, so bring it in. Once you have it here, you're gonna go all the way around with the color red, and you're gonna get your shirt very wet, super wet. So here it is. I use all the red. So let me clean around. I always like to keep my area clean. So for the next step, we're gonna put some of the green in the bowl. Some of the green in the bowl, and we're gonna need a brush. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna grab the dye and we're gonna go over it with the brush all around. Please, if you do like my videos, if you can give me thumbs up, I will really appreciate it. I had to close my store, so I'm trying to make this my next source of income if it's possible. I was one of the ones that got affected by the pandemic, and I lost a lot into that little store. I used to make custom jewelry for weddings or things like that. I used to make t-shirts, sublimation, or with the Cricut. So, and I used to sell the t-shirts in my store. I used to make bath bombs. If you are interested, you can look for my video in regards to how to make bath bombs with CBD. I have the CBD available if you guys are interested. The CBD I sell is organic and it's FDA registered, not approved because FDA is not approving. You can check my website, Momis Marketplace, and I will put the name of it in right above here. So here it is. Okay, so we did all around. We're gonna leave it. I'm gonna wrap it up with the plastic, and we're gonna leave it like that for about 2 hours. If you can hang in there and wait for it for about until next day, that's much better. The longer you leave it, the better it comes out. We are back for the last step. So here it is, my t-shirt. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking and this one I'm gonna cut the rubber bands because it's gonna be hard to get them off. So we're just gonna go ahead and go through and cut them. Also because the cardboard has gotten soft, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to use it again. Okay, so we're gonna cut all of the rubber bands. Okay, so here's the t-shirt. We are unfolding it. Oh, one more. There we go. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. So here's your shirt. This is one of my favorite ones. I'm gonna go get the dye to make it black and red. And look at how beautiful it looks, okay? So now you know the steps to follow. If not, you can see some of my other videos. But this is it for me, you guys. May the Lord bless you today and every day. Stay safe, love one another, and see you next time.